Okay, based on popular demand, we shall be going into arbitrage once again on this channel. And if you don't know what arbitrage is, it simply means the practice of buying and selling the same assets on different platforms or exchanges in order to make profit from the temporary price difference. Now, I won't waste time explaining what arbitrage is because I know a lot of us are already familiar with it. But if you don't know what arbitrage is, simply do a Google search it and learn the basics. Now, over the years, I've learned two major types of arbitrage. And the first one is card arbitrage, which is quite limited. Yes. The second one is crypto arbitrage. And crypto arbitrage is the one that is unlimited and you can always find the opportunities over and over again. Now, under crypto arbitrage, there are two types. The first one is the one you do between two exchanges. I mean, buying and selling the same assets between two exchanges or two markets or two platforms. Now, the second type of crypto arbitrage is simply known as triangular arbitrage, where you just need only one exchange for you to do this arbitrage. And in that case, you'll be needing just more than one asset. You'll be rotating your money between three different crypto assets. Now, without wasting any time, let's jump right into action. So straight and direct to the point, come to this website here, macroaxis.com/invest/crypto. This website, I will leave it in my YouTube video description, okay, and also in the pinned comments, okay. So come to this website. Once you visit this website, it is not an affiliate link. I'm doing all this for free, so nothing like sign up under me, blah blah blah, no, okay. So once you are here, the first thing you're going to do is scroll down. You are going to see that you see several crypto exchanges: Hit BTC, CoinMate, CoinJar, Bitfinex, Ubit, blah blah blah, or Luno, name it, Coinbase, okay, Kraken, okay, Bitmart, even our Binance is here, Cobit, Digifinex, lots of crypto exchanges you can see. Now, anyone that you prefer, make sure you Bank, okay, make sure you pick an exchange that is popular, okay, or the one that you are familiar with or conversant with. Don't just pick an exchange that came up yesterday, okay. Yeah, it doesn't mean that exchange that are new that they are fraud, no, but I mean an exchange that has history, okay, is more trustworthy. Okay, so for today I will be going with Binance. Okay, so with Binance, I just click on Binance and I open Binance, and once you open Binance, the next thing you're going to do is to click on what? Triangles. You can see right here, click on triangles. And then you scroll down, you are going to see lots of arbitrage opportunities. You can see it from EGen, you should go to BTC. From BTC, you should take it to FDUD. You can see them all plenty like this. But it's not that once you see it, you go and do it. You have to check. Okay. And if you want to check it, what you're going to do is what? Right click, open in a new tab, right click, open in a new tab. Just keep opening them in a new tab to know if the arbitrage opportunity is still valid, because once it detects it, it will let you know, okay, and you still need to check if it is valid or not. This is the only place that I think the hard work is. Okay, this is where I think the hard work is, finding the one that is still valid. So let's open it and let's check. We've opened a lot now, so we check. We come here, scroll down, you see that there was an opportunity here, but it's no longer valid. You can see bad, not valid. Look at this, not valid. These ones are not valid. You can see not valid. You can see not valid. But if you take your time, you are going to see at least one or two that are valid, or three, a lot of them that are valid. Depends on how willing you are to put in the commitment. Okay, yes, and do the work, okay, that is there. Okay, so right now, if I come here, you will see that I have a valid arbitrage here. You can see it wrote what? Possible arbitrage, and it marked good. You can see right here, marked good. And what is it saying? It's simply saying what? You start with what? BTC. Okay, yeah, if you have BTC, fine. But if you don't have BTC, you can get USDT, okay, or you can buy via P2P, or just buy BTC, whether with your card or whether via P2P, or exchange your USDT to BTC. Just start with BTC. $100 worth of BTC, convert it to USDT. And once you convert to USDT, convert that USDT again to MTL crypto, and then from that MTL crypto, you convert back to BTC. And you can see that if you do that, your $100 is going to become 101.26. This is a real arbitrage. Most times real arbitrage don't take you can't start with $100 and you're seeing $200 or 180. That's not arbitrage. That is a high risk platform or high risk activity. You can get that in Forex. It doesn't mean that all high risk are fraud. No, some high risk are actually legit. For example, Forex. You can start with $100, next year seeing $300. But you can as well see all your money go down within a minute. Okay, because in profits, as it's giving you high reward in profits, it can also give you high losses too. But arbitrage, this is how it works. You can see very little profit, and then what is going to help you is what, if you have a bigger capital, it is going to give you a higher profit. And remember that prices are changing fast. So before you do this, you do what? Make sure that you first of all done your KYC in those platforms so you can be able to withdraw or convert your money. It's not when you've started it by halfway they will say complete KYC to withdraw or complete KYC to do spot trading or whatever, and you now pause your arbitrage there and go and start doing KYC. Before you come back, price may have skyrocketed or reduced. If it skyrocket, it's good though, but if it reduce, it's a loss. So you have to make sure that you are ready with the exchange. And then also when you've seen this, it's not just when you see it, you just dive in. When you see it, look at this. For example, you can start this one. This one is supposed you can start with this one with MTL. From this MTL, $100 worth of it, convert it to BTC. And when you convert to BTC, you convert this BTC to USDT. It gives you 50.58 USDT. And then when you convert back to MTL, it gives you 101 MTL. You can see right here. Now, what we're going to do is, before you also do this, there is something called doing an imaginary transaction. You don't just put in money immediately. You go to the exchange and try to perform this with an imaginative mind and see how much they are going to be worth when you are doing it. Okay, so let us do an imaginary arbitrage right now. Okay, so right now, this is my Binance. Okay, and to do an imaginary arbitrage, let us try this guy, MTL. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to head over to my trade section and we can go to sports. Okay, so I click on sports. This is sports and you can see we're under BTC USDT. So what I'm going to do is to search for MTL. Okay, search it right here, MTL. This is it right here. You can see MTL. Okay, MTL USDT. So I select MTL USDT and then you scroll down. Okay, you scroll down. You can do this on your phone also. Okay, yeah. So right now we're under limit, so I select market order. Okay, you can see all of this on the phone. What I'm going to do is select MTL right here and put USDT here. So I put 100 right here. Right now you can see that it is not showing me the amount of USDT. The reason is because I think Binance is kind of hiding this rate, because I don't have any money right in my Binance right now. But if you have, let's say, 100 USDT, or even no matter the amount of money, or even if it's less than 100 USDT, you have some money right in here. If you put in 100 right here, you're going to see the rates. Okay, how many USDT that is going to cost you. The next thing you're going to do is, when you've done that, you do what? Check MTL to BTC. Okay, yeah, so we come back. From here, you can also select what? MTL/BTC. Look at it right here. Okay, you can see that the arbitrage is, we have all crypto pairs right there. You can also put the amount, okay, of that MTL in BTC and see what it is worth. I hope you understand what I'm saying. From here, from MTL to BTC, or if you don't have MTL from the beginning, USDT to MTL, MTL to BTC, and then that amount of BTC that you got to USDT. They've already written all the rates here. You can see it according to the current rate. And from the USDT back to MTL. You get what I mean? Yeah. So this is a very quick video and a quick update. And before you even do this, just make sure you have, let's say, $100, $200, and it doesn't mean you should do immediately. With the money you have in there, put in the rates and you are going to see what it is going to be worth. Okay. And also let me know in the comments if you want me to perform the live arbitrage, okay, in my next video. Enjoy this, and it's not something you rush. Okay, take your time, study it before you go in. It's not something that tomorrow it has crashed or it is no longer there. Arbitrage opportunities will always be coming and they'll be closing. Before you know now, this price might catch up with each other and there'll be no more arbitrage opportunity within these pairs. And another one too will open in the other side. So that's it basically, and I hope you do understand this video. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate you. If you gained any value in this one, do give me a thumbs up. If you did not, smash dislike twice and let me know why in the comments. Do well to also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are yet to do that. And with that being said, I will see you, my friends, in my next video. Peace.